Ghee butter is more than just a delicious ingredient. It's a superfood with an array of surprising health benefits. But what makes ghee so special? And why are so many people turning to this ancient ingredient for modern health solutions? What is ghee, and why should you care? Ghee is a type of clarified butter that originated in India over 5,000 years ago. It's made by slowly simmering butter to remove water and milk solids, leaving behind a rich, nutty-flavored golden oil. This process makes ghee lactose-free and shelf-stable, which means you can keep it at room temperature for months without it going bad. But its long shelf life is just one of the many benefits. Is ghee just a cooking oil, or is there more to it? Can it truly boost your health and well-being? And what makes it different from regular butter? Stick around, because we're going to explore why ghee is gaining popularity not just in Indian cuisine but in kitchens worldwide. Trust me, after learning about its amazing benefits, you'll want to add ghee to your grocery list. But before we dive deeper, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Very OK. We're here to help you unlock the secrets to healthier living with delicious recipes and incredible wellness insights. Hit that subscribe button to stay updated. Ghee's ancient wisdom and modern benefits. For thousands of years, Ayurvedic practitioners have praised ghee for its nourishing and healing properties. It's believed to balance the body's doshas and promote a calm mind. But ghee isn't just for spiritual well-being, it's packed with practical health benefits too. Curious fact 1. Boost your energy, naturally. Did you know that ghee is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, the same fats that give coconut oil its reputation for quick energy release? Ghee's MCTs are easily absorbed and converted into energy, making it the perfect choice for those looking to power through their day without the dreaded crash. Curious fact 2. The secret to healthy digestion. If you often feel bloated or uncomfortable after meals, ghee might be just the thing you need. It contains butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid that supports gut health and reduces inflammation. Butyrate is also known to help repair the intestinal lining, making ghee an essential addition to your diet if you're aiming for a healthy gut. Curious fact 3. Loaded with vitamins for radiant skin. Ghee is naturally rich in fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, which are essential for healthy skin and strong bones. Vitamin A, in particular, plays a key role in maintaining a glowing complexion. It's no wonder why ancient royals used ghee in their beauty routines. How to incorporate ghee into your daily routine. Now that you know the incredible benefits of ghee, how can you start using it? Let's look at some simple and delicious ways to incorporate ghee into your everyday cooking. Cooking oil replacement. Use ghee as a healthier alternative to regular cooking oils. Its high smoke point makes it ideal for frying and sautéing without producing harmful free radicals. In your coffee. Yes, you read that right. Try a spoonful of ghee in your morning coffee for a creamy, energy-boosting start to your day. Spread on toast. Replace your usual butter with ghee for a richer, nuttier flavor that melts perfectly on warm toast. Pros and cons. The reality of ghee. Ghee's benefits. Rich in nutrients. Contains vitamins and MCTs that support energy and vitality. Lactose-free. Safe for those with lactose intolerance. Supports digestion. Thanks to its high levels of butyrate, ghee promotes a healthy gut. Ghee's considerations. High calorie density. While ghee is nutritious, it's also calorie dense. Moderation is key. Saturated fat content. Ghee contains a higher amount of saturated fat, so if you have specific cardiovascular concerns, consult with a healthcare provider before increasing your intake. Ghee and heart health. Is it safe? You might be wondering, can ghee be part of a heart-healthy diet? While ghee does contain saturated fats, research suggests that when consumed in moderation, it can actually help balance cholesterol levels by increasing HDL, good cholesterol, and lowering LDL, bad cholesterol. Ancient wisdom points to its heart-protecting properties, and modern science is beginning to back this up. The bottom line, why ghee is more than just butter. From boosting your energy to promoting a healthy gut, the benefits of ghee are numerous. It's no wonder ghee has earned its place as a staple in both ancient traditions and modern kitchens. By incorporating this golden elixir into your meals, you're not just adding flavor, you're adding a powerful source of nourishment that your body will thank you for. Ghee and scientific studies. Beyond tradition. While ghee has long been celebrated in Ayurvedic medicine, modern research is now shedding light on why this golden elixir is gaining traction in the health community. Here are some of the key findings. Study 1. Heart health and cholesterol balance. A study published in the International Journal of Research in Ayurveda and Pharmacy explored ghee's impact on heart health. The study concluded that moderate consumption of ghee might help increase levels of HDL cholesterol, good cholesterol, while managing LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol. The reason? The presence of conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, a type of fat known for its role in improving cholesterol balance and potentially reducing body fat. Study 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Another fascinating study published in the Journal of Ayurvedic and Integrative Medicine focused on the anti-inflammatory properties of ghee. The research highlighted the benefits of butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid present in ghee, which is known to reduce inflammation in the intestines and promote overall gut health. This makes ghee particularly beneficial for people dealing with inflammatory bowel disease or irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Study 3. Antioxidant capacity and brain health. A study in the Journal of Food Science and Technology examined ghee's antioxidant properties. The researchers discovered that ghee contains compounds like carotenoids, which are essential for maintaining eye health and protecting the brain from oxidative stress. This supports ghee's traditional use in enhancing memory and cognitive function. Some experts even refer to ghee as a brain-boosting food because of these properties. Ghee as an immune booster. Ghee is also gaining attention for its role in strengthening the immune system. According to research published in the Indian Journal of Animal Sciences, ghee contains butyrate, which not only promotes gut health but also enhances immune cell function. Since nearly 70% of your immune system resides in your gut, consuming ghee could play a vital role in keeping your immune system robust. Ghee and insulin sensitivity. Interestingly, some studies suggest that ghee might also have a positive impact on insulin sensitivity. The healthy fats in ghee, such as omega-3s and conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, may help regulate blood sugar levels. A study published in Lipids in Health and Disease found that consuming healthy fats like those in ghee could help manage insulin spikes, making it an appealing option for individuals aiming to balance blood sugar naturally. The detoxifying properties of ghee in Ayurveda. From an Ayurvedic perspective, ghee has long been used as a vehicle for cleansing the body. Ghee is known to carry herbs and medicinal properties deep into tissues, enhancing their therapeutic effect. It is also used in a traditional practice called panchakarma, a type of detox therapy, to help eliminate toxins from the body and restore internal balance. How ghee benefits skin health. The fat-soluble vitamins A and E found in ghee are not just beneficial when consumed, they're also key to healthy skin. Ayurvedic texts and modern skincare practices alike point to ghee as a natural moisturizer. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Clinical and Diagnostic Research highlighted the use of ghee in promoting wound healing due to its moisturizing and regenerative properties. Additional benefits: eye health and vision. In Ayurveda, ghee is highly valued for nourishing the eyes and promoting sharp vision. This aligns with modern science, as ghee contains vitamin A, an essential nutrient for eye health. A review published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition emphasized the role of vitamin A in preventing night blindness and maintaining overall eye health. Answering the big questions. Now that we've covered additional benefits and research, it's time to circle back to the questions we posed earlier. Is ghee just a cooking oil, or is there more to it? Absolutely, there's more. While ghee is a fantastic cooking oil with a high smoke point, its health benefits go far beyond the kitchen. It's packed with essential fatty acids, vitamins, and compounds that support gut health, brain function, and immune strength. Can ghee truly boost your health and well-being? Without a doubt. From its anti-inflammatory properties to its role in promoting cholesterol balance and detoxification, ghee is a versatile and potent addition to your diet. Just remember to enjoy it in moderation. What makes ghee different from regular butter? Unlike regular butter, ghee is lactose-free and contains a higher concentration of beneficial fats. The process of making ghee removes milk solids and water, making it easier to digest and suitable for people with dairy sensitivities. Here's a simple step-by-step guide on how to make ghee butter at home. Homemade ghee butter recipe. Ingredients: 1 pound, 16 ounces of unsalted butter, preferably organic, grass-fed for the best quality. Instructions. Prepare your butter. Start with high-quality unsalted butter. Unsalted butter gives you better control over the flavor and is more traditional for making ghee. Melt the butter. Place the butter in a heavy-bottom saucepan. Turn the heat to medium and let the butter melt completely. Simmer and separate. Once the butter has melted, reduce the heat to low. You'll start to notice it foaming as it begins to separate. The butter will go through several stages. Foaming. When the butter melts, it will begin to foam and bubble. Clarification. After the initial foaming, the milk solids will start to separate and sink to the bottom, while the clarified butter ghee rises to the top. It will bubble slowly. Golden color and aroma. Keep a close eye on it. After 10 to 15 minutes, the bubbling will slow down, and the butter will turn a golden color with a nutty aroma. At this stage, the milk solids at the bottom will start to turn golden brown. Remove from heat. When you see that the milk solids are golden brown and the liquid is clear with a golden hue, it's time to remove the pan from the heat. Be careful not to let the solids burn, as this can affect the flavor. Strain the ghee, using a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth. Carefully pour the ghee into a clean, dry jar or container, leaving the milk solids behind in the pan. The strained ghee should be clear and golden. Let it cool. Allow the ghee to cool to room temperature before sealing the jar with a lid. It will solidify as it cools, especially if stored in a cool place. Store your ghee. Ghee can be stored at room temperature for up to a month, as it is shelf stable. However, if you want it to last longer, you can keep it in the refrigerator, where it will last up to 3 to 6 months. How to use ghee. Ghee can be used for cooking, baking, or as a spread. It has a high smoke point, making it ideal for sautéing, frying, and roasting without breaking down or producing harmful compounds. You can also add a teaspoon to your coffee for an extra energy boost in the morning, a popular practice known as bulletproof coffee. Enjoy your homemade ghee. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Very Okay. We've got more easy recipes and wellness tips coming your way. Hit that bell so you never miss out. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Very Okay.